So guys, recently OnePlus has launched this OnePlus 7T in India and I have bought it and I am using it with the Oxygen OS, and this Oxygen OS is one of the best operating system that you have on the Android platform. I can surely say that because it is very lightweight as well as very feature rich. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are 20 plus tips, tricks and hidden features of this OnePlus 7T. So let's begin. So guys, before I start the video, let me give you a small disclaimer over here. In this video, I have included some of the basic as well as some advanced tips. So you will definitely learn something new in this video. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. We have this OnePlus 7T over here with this AMOLED goodness, but sometimes AMOLED does get some oversaturated. So for that, we have the screen calibration option over here in this display option. From here, you can calibrate your display and change whatever setting that you want. You can put it on natural mode, on vivid mode. Vivid is like oversaturated image, and then the advanced mode is also present, and you can adjust the temperature of the display too. This smartphone comes with the 90 Hz display, and as you see, I can change the refresh rate and put it on 60 Hz, and it's very important because 60 Hz saves a lot of battery. By the way, I have did a battery life comparison in my real life testing of this 60 versus 90 Hz. If you wanna see that video, I will leave the card over there. You can go and check that out. Then guys, we have night mode over here, basically a blue light filter. It's very important for your sleep because there is a hormone called melatonin and it regulates our sleeping pattern. So that blue light that display emits affect that hormone and disturb our sleeping patterns. Then we have the reading mode. You can turn on this manually as well as automatically. We have two modes, chromatic and mono effect. Mono effect is like black and white, and chromatic effect is a little bit colorish, as you see over here. And it has automatic mode too. For example, I can select any application here, as I have selected the Google Play Books. So when I open Google Play Books, it will automatically open that, as you see, and I can start the reading. The moment I got out, that reading mode turns off, so that's nice actually. We have video enhancer. If you like high colors or saturated image, then you can definitely turn this feature on, but I don't recommend it. I don't know why OnePlus has did that, but this smartphone has AMOLED display. I would love to have the always on display like my M30s, but it does not have always on display, but it has an ambient display kind of. When you tap on the screen and the always on, basically the ambient display will light up, as you see. Let me show you. Like this. This is it. And we can customize a lot of things like contextual information. If you want to add your information, you can add it right over here. Then you can change the size of the display, and you can change the font size too from here. Then move to the status bar option to change the battery style. Enable the battery percentage over here. The display network speed. I love to see the network speed that I am using. Then we have the time. We can change it to minutes and hours. And second is also present over there. And then we have this icon manager. This is very important. Like we have the notch over here, so we cannot see whole status bar. I wanted to see this speed over here. Due to this VoLT icon, I was not able to see the speed, but when I disable this VoLT, now I can see the speed, so that's great. Then we have screensaver. It's a docking feature, so I don't use the docking feature, but if you do, then it's very nice. Then guys, moving to the customization, you can change the theme like vibrant tints and nuisance dark. Basically dark mode is also present, so if you want to use dark mode and save some battery life, then you can use it. As you see, everything becomes dark. And then we have wallpapers. You can change whatever wallpaper you want. We can change the clock style, and then we have the fingerprint animation. This is cool guys. So as you see, currently it is on Cosmos. So let me show you. So this is a Cosmos guys. This is a Cosmos, and we can also use anything, and we can also disable that. And then we have the system customization. With this, you can change the accent color, and then we can change the whole tone of this. For example, this is a setting app. So if I want the icons to be in different colors, then I can choose that colorful, then light and dark. So if I select dark, everything becomes dark. So yeah, that's also nice. We can change the shape of the icons. You know, currently every icon is round. I can change it to round, circular. I mean, we have to first of all apply it. As you see, everything is circular now, round, rectangular, we have teardrop, we have squares. Then we have the icon pack. You can change the icon pack, whatever icon pack you like. I have this Splendid and Minima. If I apply this, as you see, every icon has been changed to that icon packs. And then we have the font. We have 2 fonts. Whatever your style is, you can use that. Then move to the sound and vibration. Here we have this Dolby Atmos support. So I have this USB Type-C OnePlus Bullet earphones. So when I connect it, I have some settings over here. Okay, I have the full equalizer mode over here. I can choose the equalizer. I can basically tinker with the sound and all. And then we have this earphone mode, guys. We have the speak caller ID. This is very good. When I am using a Bluetooth while listening to the music, when I receive call, it basically notifies who is calling. And then we have this vibration sensitivity and pattern. You can change the vibration sensitivity and the pattern of the vibration. Guys, move to the buttons and slider. Then we have this alert slider option. As you see, guys, we have the alert slider. It has 3 steps. The bottom one is the normal general mode. Then the middle one is the vibration mode. And the third one is the complete silent mode. So you can definitely use it. I do have some controls over here. If I put it on the top one, I want media to be mute or not, I can select it from here. Then we have the navigation bar and gestures. It's very good. We have the home back button right over here. If you don't want, you can use the gestures over here. These are very nice gesture, but I don't use it because of the back system. As you see, I have to do back like this and I don't like it. But overall, as you see, thanks to that 90 Hz and this Oxygen OS and the optimization, the gestures, animations and all, it's very smooth. So it is quite an amazing experience using those navigation gestures. So you can definitely try those. And you have the navigation bar. If you are using the navigation bar and buttons, then you have the customization options of those things too. Like you can swap the buttons. You have some actions over here, long press, double tap action, so you can customize as per your demands and needs. Then we have the quick gestures. This is very important too. We have flip to mute. When you receive a call, you just flip it and the call will muted. And then we have 3 fingers screenshot, and when you have to take a screenshot, just swipe down 3 fingers and it will take the screenshot, as you see. Then we have raise to answer. Actually it's very nice, but in that we have the raise to switch and raise to answer. Don't enable this raise to answer, just enable to raise to switch. When I was using Bluetooth and I received call and I wanted to use the smartphone directly to talk, I just have to raise it to my ear and it will directly switch to the earpiece. Then we have double tap to wake feature. Then we have the music control option. When you are listening to music and the screen is off, just do like this and the music will be paused, and making gesture like this will go to the next track, making gesture like this will go to the previous track. So yeah, these are some of the gestures. Then we have draw O and drawing option. Basically, if I want to open the camera, just I can draw V and it will open the camera, as you see over here. Then we have this quick activate the assistant app. It's good, but I don't suggest you to use it. When you enable it and when you press the power button for 0.5 second, it will enable the Google Assistant. Now guys, go to the security and lock screen. Here you have the screen pinning option. Imagine you have to give your smartphone to someone to do some specific task. For example, let me open this Instagram, and if I want someone to just access my Instagram and don't touch my other things on my phone, so I can just pin this application from here, like as I am doing right now. If I pin this application, he won't be able to go back. He is stuck on Instagram. If you wanna be my friend, then you can definitely follow me on Instagram. And to get out of this locking mechanism, you just have to press like this and you will get out and the phone will be locked. And then we have the free up storage. You can free the storage, whatever you want to remove here. You can see what things are consuming your storage, which app is consuming your storage, and all the storage related issues are gonna solve here. So yeah, then we have the digital well-being option. We have set up parental control here, and you can show your data, that how much you use your smartphone. Like for example, today I have used this smartphone 5 hours 42 minutes, which is just a lot, but I am doing some work on it, so yeah, don't worry. Then guys, moving to the utilities. Here you have some amazing features like quick launch. This is a fingerprint. If I hold down, As you see, these are some of the shortcuts option came. If I want to open that voice search, just release that and it will open the voice search. That's great. Quick search is awesome actually. Then we have the parallel apps. You can use the same instances of two application. Like if I want to use two app Instagram, I can just create another Instagram over here. Then we have the app locker over here. You can lock your application from here, and you can open that application by using a fingerprint scanner. And then we have the schedule power on and off, and then we have DC dimming. If I reduce the brightness in AMOLED display, I'll get flickering issues because this AMOLED display reduces the brightness with the technology called PWM, that pulse width modulating. They just turn on and off continuously the light, so we get the perception that the brightness get reduced, but actually that thing causes some severe issues for people. Like some people get nauseating watching the flickering issues. So if you have any issues like that, then you can definitely use it. By the way, it's not a OnePlus's problem, it's a overall AMOLED problem. Then we have the quick reply in landscape. Now guys, let's go to the accessibility. We have the magnification feature, magnification with triple tap. So if you have some issues in your eye, then you can use this magnification option. When you triple tap on the screen, it will get magnified. As you see, we have the color correction option, color inversion option. Then we have the remove animation. You can remove the animations. A lot of feature, you can definitely come here and experience it. And then we have the RAM boost. It is an AI feature, so just enable it and leave it. And then we have this multiple users option. Guys, add another user here, and you can use another smartphone in your smartphone, basically another virtual smartphone in your current smartphone. So that's great actually. Guys, as you see, tap and hold anywhere where the screen is empty and go to the home settings. Then you find some of the settings over here. Swipe down just and enable this shelf to enable this to enable this double tap to lock icon. Then we have this drawer. If I want quick search option, I don't want the app drawer, then I can use it, but I want app drawer, so I can put it on all apps, so I get the app drawer right over here. And we have the notification dots, just turn it on, it's good. Then we have the system icon pack, and then we have this home screen layout. You can change the layout, like if I want 4 icons, 3 icons, I can increase or decrease the size of those icons, so that's great. When you swipe right, you get this shelf option over here. If you have some of the amazing information, like if you are a cricket fan, then you have the cricket scores over here. We have the write memo. You can quickly add any memo that you want. We have calculator. We have some toolbox, new timer and send file and all, and you can add other things too. Then we have this parking location. It's very nice. You can take the picture of your current location where you have parking your vehicle, or you can mark the location on the map. We have the dashboard over here. So here we can see that how much gigabyte has been consumed in the data. Then we have wallet. You can add many membership and loyalty cards over here. That's good. Then we have Zen mode, one of the best mode in this smartphone. Like if you want to do meditation and all, enable this Zen mode. And as you see, we have 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes and 60 minute option. If I let's go, as you see, Zen mode can't be cancelled once it's started, so you have to like be very sure to start this Zen mode option. And then we have this incoming notification will be temporarily muted. You still receive phone calls and make emergency call. All the apps are temporarily locked and except the camera. So yeah, if you want do a digital detox and something like that, then you can use that Zen mode. By the way guys, I am little bit sick, so if I sound little bit weird, then don't mind. After the Zen mode guys, let me show you. This smartphone has a built-in screen recorder, which a lot of people don't know that. If you don't find this option, just go to this icon, tap on that pencil icon, then you will find this option, then just put it right there. If you don't find it, you can go to the setting and you can choose the resolution that you want to record your screen. You can choose the bitrate too, that's great. And you can choose the FPS limit. Okay, you can choose the source of the microphone, video orientation, and floating widgets, touch pointers and all, everything you can choose. And you can just record this video. Actually, I love screen recording feature in this smartphone. So yeah, this is all guys. These are all the features that I found. I know I have missed quite a lot of features that you guys know that. So guys, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I would love to know them. So yeah, that's all guys. That's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, then hit that like button. Share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. By the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.